Okay, first step is to make the rope clamp open. I already done this here, so I take this one for now. The easiest way is to take a little piece of tape and put it over the screws so they keep in place. Make also sure that this one is pushed in all the way, and also there you take a little bit of tape and it gets over. Okay, now the next step is if the rope, sometimes the rope is, because we burn it, it's too big. So what you can do is soften it and make it small, because it cannot go in between here. Then you take the rope, a little bit pull, stretch it, okay. And now this one, you just put it at the front of the screw. And this one here, it must be tight against this one. So the low friction ring and the rope clamp must be tied to each other. And you push it. And now you put the other part on it. I look a little bit like this, so now I'm sure I'm in the holes. Now I turn it around. Now you can push through the tape and just close it a few turns, not too tight. Push in and close it a little bit. Okay, now you can still pull this one so that you make sure this is a little bit tight. But now, because it's so tight, the rope wants to get out here. So yeah, you have to push it in so it's not between it. Otherwise you cannot close it. You see it? It comes out. And just close it again a few times. I see it's in between here, so I push it back in. So now it's closed. You see a little gap here. That's no problem. It's now very tight. You see, it's very tight in, so it cannot go out. Yes, it's a little bit of work to get them in the right way, but there are only 4 or 6, depending on the system of 3 or 4 legs you have. So that's it.